I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna call you.
Hello guys, how are you today? Hope you all are well and welcome to Baneshwar. Before going to the video, if you do not subscribe my channel, then it is time to subscribe and click on bell icon. Maximum of us know that Rajshahi is famous for mango, and in this time we are standing on the biggest bazaar of mango on Rajshahi. The name of this place is Baneshwar Bazar.
I don't wanna call you.
Beside of this bazaar, there is one of the most renowned hotel called Jomset Hotel for Kalabhuna. After taking lunch here, I and my friend Ilman feel like a homemade food. If you visit this place, you can take a look here. After that, we forward to a park which is in front of Rajshahi Cadet College and beside of Padma river. If you want to go in this park, at first you have to go in Baneshwar Bazar and after that take an auto from the bazaar. You can follow me on Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, TikTok page or group, and I have provided all links in the description. I provide all picture or any file in my Telegram page and Facebook page. So if it is hard to find out the pictures for this place, then it will be better to go for Telegram page and search Rajshahi Cadet College Park. So finally we are dropped on the park which was our destination. Its location is just mind-blowing and in front of Rajshahi Cadet College and just beside of Padma river. When I noticed the flow of the water from very near to the river, it was really an excellent feeling. At that time, my mind said to take a jump on the river. But do not try it because the flow over the river in this place is very fast. I could hear the sound of water flow. At that time, a fisherman also remains there to survive. Beside all of this, the park was full of natural view with the combination of water, green grass and average mean height level trees. There are some decorated places to sit over there to feel the flow of water. By the progress of time, we are end of this video. Before leave, do not forget to give a like and you can also share this with your friends. Thank you very much to stay with us. See you again with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.